2, the topic must be suited to the audience. For example, today is your graduation day and you are the audience. I am the speaker, so what type of topic you are expecting me to tell you? It's a graduation day. What topic do you expect? Inspiring story, yeah? So, sino pa po? What topic do you expect me to tell you? Because it's your graduation day today. Any? Hindi pa. Oh, yeah. It's motivational and like inspiration. Of course, it's graduation day. I cannot tell a topic like a biblical or something like I'm doing a sermon like that. Yeah. So let your audience feel that the topic is for them. Yeah, let them that they can engage to your topic so that the audience will be also attentive to your speech. Next. Okay, the topic must be suited to the occasion. Of course, the chief elements of the occasion must be the date, the time, and the activity. Example, what any occasion in mind? Birthday. If you're going to invite me on your birthday, what do you think I will do? Do I need to tell something about my birthday or others' birthday or
Anyone's
topic
birthday.
not related to birthday or to you? Of course not. Yeah. You will consider the occasion. The occasion. What is the occasion? What is the time? Are you going to speak on early morning, afternoon time? Of course, pag afternoon time, minsan yung topic mo parang kailangan mas alive, di ba? Kasi nakakaanto. So, about that type of activity, syempre, if it is formal or informal, it must be suited also. Tapos, syempre, yung pag-occasion, meron din venue, may location. Ang location is in the court, basketball court. Alam niyo na, mainit, di ba? So, you must prepare a topic that is not only suited for the occasion. Of course, you will check that time also, the activity, what kind of activity, and anong occasion. Yeah. This must be aligned with that occasion, time, and activity. Okay po, any reaction? Yes po. You want to add more, sir?
Pag sinabi ko kasing suited, parang mag-build ka ng ng dalawang topic na pwede sa tao na ganito at pwede sa tao na ganito.
Yes, sir. You must consider also the age ng kausap mo, yung gender, yung mga religious, ganon. Tapos meron pa, ano pa kung pwede natin i-consider when doing the yes po, mga Gen Z, syempre, no? Ayaw nila ng masyadong mahabang sesh. Okay po, meron pa po, additional. Okay, the topic must be suited to the length of time available for the speech. Just like now, we only have 30 minutes. So, I will finish my speech. I will finish my report. Is that okay? So now, it means the speaker committed to the topic is very transferred to the audience. Okay, when you are invited to speak, of course you will consider the time. Siyempre, you don't wanna eat all the time, no? Kasi siyempre, mabubord din naman yun. Tsaka, how about if the occasion is only will last for 2 hours and you will speak 1 hour. So, nonsense because gagawin mo lahat ng oras nila. So, sa house pa lang, before you do your speech, you must practice at home. Check the time, syempre. Check mo kung yung binigyan na allotted time sa'yo ng organizer ay magagamit mo. Na nandoon lahat ng content na gusto mo ibigay sa audience mo. That's all.